Do your competitors get more SEO traffic and conversions than you? Do their sites rank above yours? Don't rely on past experience reading jargon-filled blogs or taking a gamble on someone's opinion. Chances are, you'll wind up doing a lot of work and getting nowhere. What if you could visit the top-ranked pages for any chosen keyword and determine exactly which of the search engine's boxes they're ticking? Indatum's ranking factor analysis tool finds the answers using data compiled from hundreds of thousands of websites. You'll discover why the competition appears above you in search engines for the keywords you want to dominate. These insights are used to develop a tailored ranking recipe for your site that the search engines can't get enough of. Make the switch to intelligent ranking factor analysis today with Indatum.